Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Ever wondered how the ultra-wealthy manage their money? Well, buckle up because I'm about to spill the beans on 5 game-changing finance tips that could revolutionize your business. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Are you ready to take your financial game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, these 5 finance and investment tips could be the key to unlocking your business's true potential. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can apply these strategies to supercharge your financial success. First up, let's talk about the power of diversification. You've probably heard the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? Well, it turns out that this age-old wisdom applies perfectly to your business finances. Diversification is all about spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. But how can you apply this to your business? Simple. Start by looking at your current revenue streams. Are you relying too heavily on one product or service? If so, it might be time to branch out. Consider developing new offerings or exploring different markets. For example, if you run a local bakery, you could diversify by adding catering services or launching an online store to reach customers beyond your immediate area. Another way to diversify is through your investments. Don't just stick to traditional stocks and bonds. Look into real estate, commodities, or even cryptocurrency if you're feeling adventurous. Just remember, the key is to balance higher risk investments with more stable options to create a well-rounded portfolio. Moving on to our second tip, cash flow management. This might not sound as exciting as playing the stock market, but trust me, it's crucial for your business's survival and growth. Effective cash flow management ensures that you always have enough money on hand to cover your expenses and invest in new opportunities. So, how can you improve your cash flow? Start by creating a detailed cash flow forecast. This will help you anticipate any potential shortfalls and plan accordingly. Next, look at your billing practices. Are you invoicing promptly? Consider offering incentives for early payment or implementing late fees to encourage timely payments. Another practical strategy is to negotiate better terms with your suppliers. See if you can extend your payment terms or secure discounts for bulk purchases. On the flip side, try to encourage your customers to pay sooner by offering small discounts for early payment. Now, let's talk about our third tip, leveraging technology. In today's digital age, there's no excuse for not using technology to streamline your financial processes. From accounting software to AI-powered analytics tools, there's a wealth of resources at your fingertips. Start by automating your bookkeeping. Tools like QuickBooks or Xero can save you hours of manual data entry and reduce the risk of human error. Plus, they provide real-time insights into your financial health, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly. But don't stop there. Look into financial forecasting software that can help you predict future trends and plan accordingly. Or consider using AI-powered tools to analyze your spending patterns and identify areas where you could cut costs or increase efficiency. Our fourth tip is all about continuous learning and adaptation. The financial world is constantly evolving, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends, regulations, and best practices in finance and investment. Make it a habit to read financial news regularly. Subscribe to industry publications, follow financial experts on social media, or even consider taking online courses to expand your knowledge. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions for your business. But knowledge isn't enough on its own. You need to be willing to adapt your strategies based on what you learn. Maybe you discover a new tax deduction that could save your business thousands. Or perhaps you learn about an emerging market that aligns perfectly with your products or services. The key is to stay flexible and open to new opportunities. Last, but certainly not least, our fifth tip is to focus on long-term value creation. It's easy to get caught up in short-term gains, but true financial success comes from building lasting value in your business. This means investing in areas that will drive growth and profitability over the long haul. Maybe it's upgrading your equipment to improve efficiency, or investing in employee training to boost productivity. Perhaps it's developing a new product line that will open up new markets. Whatever it is, make sure your financial decisions align with your long-term business goals. Don't be afraid to sacrifice short-term profits if it means building a stronger, more valuable business in the long run. One practical way to apply this tip is through strategic reinvestment. Instead of pocketing all your profits, consider reinvesting a portion back into your business. This could mean hiring new talent, expanding your marketing efforts, or investing in research and development. Another approach is to focus on building recurring revenue streams. These provide a steady, predictable income that can help stabilize your finances and make your business more valuable in the long run. This could involve developing subscription-based services or creating products that encourage repeat purchases. Remember, these 5 tips are just the beginning. The world of finance and investment is vast and complex, but with the right strategies and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can navigate it successfully. So, there you have it. 5 powerful finance and investment tips that you can start applying to your business today. From diversification to long-term value creation, these strategies can help you build a stronger, more financially secure business. But don't just take my word for it. The real magic happens when you put these tips into action. So, I challenge you to pick one of these strategies and implement it in your business this week. Whether it's diversifying your revenue streams, improving your cash flow management, or investing in new technology. Take that first step towards better financial health. Remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of continuous learning, adaptation, and smart decision-making. But with persistence and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals and build the thriving business you've always dreamed of. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take control of your business finances and start building the future you want. Here's to your financial success.